Chompers, I'm back again with another great video. Welcome to Chomp Town, home of the Chomp Queen, where we are eating good. And today we're snacking on some KFC. Yeah, guys, it is the same day. Like, I just had the mussels. That was earlier. It's nighttime. We done been out. We just gotten back from Kyrie's basketball game. It's my oldest son's name. And it's 10 o'clock at night. I am starving because the mussels was the only thing that I ate today. So we stopped at KFC to get some food, and they were closing. So I couldn't really get what I wanted. But I did get the $5 fill up. So I got the 2-piece chicken. I got, can y'all see that? I got some mashed potatoes, comes with a biscuit and a cookie. How sweet are they to give us a cookie? So, and then I got a sweet tea. So this is going to be a quick video because it's late, I'm starving, and I kind of want to go to bed. So let's just get right to it. Let's eat. And I bought me some hot sauce too. Lord, I thank you for this food that you set before me. I ask that you bless it, let it be a nourishment to my body and precious in my prayer. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, Lord. Darn it, they didn't give me a fork. I'll be right back. It's like, every time I sit down, I realize that I forgot something. But let me move this back so y'all can see what I'm eating on. There. Whew, it's cold out there tonight. All right, I said my grace, right? All right, now I got time to eat. Yo, this gravy is so good. That was a bit savage, wasn't it? It's good though. Whew, look at that. I love their gravy so much. Their mashed potatoes, so good. I'm back out in the garage because the family is home and TV is on and all that good stuff. So, hope y'all don't mind the echo too much. I know it's bad. But let's go with this chicken. Get some hot sauce first. What's your brand of hot sauce? We usually get the Texas Pete. But I also have a bottle of Crystals. But what's your brand? Because I know it's so many. I didn't even realize there was so many brands of hot sauce. And I know Be Love has one too. Like, first bite. That is good. That's good too. I know I said this already today, but I hope you are having a wonderful day. By the time you see this, it'll be next day anyway, so it's all good. In the neighborhood. Speaking of neighborhood, our neighbors are already putting their Christmas lights up. I love it. Oh man, my hot sauce and my potatoes. There's something about that chicken. It's so good. Is this the place they use the 13 spices or something? I think it is. Let me get that. What's that? Woo. That is hot. That's good, yo. These biscuits, these biscuits be so dry. Like, you gotta put something on them. Put some mashed potatoes on it. Otherwise, you choke on this thing. Put a little bit of chicken on here. Uh-oh. Did we start something here? Let me get some more chicken. Alright. We got a little something going on here. It's good. It's definitely not dry anymore. But you know what I just tried recently and loved it? We were in Baltimore for Thanksgiving. The hotel we had, they served biscuits and gravy. Oh my goodness. Like, I used to see people eat that all the time and wonder, like, what in the world? It looked so disgusting, but I tried it one day, and the next day I went back, got some more. The next day I went back, got 2 more. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And they put like sausage in the gravy. So good. There's so many foods that we just look at like, ugh. If we just tried it, probably fall in love. Hey, napkin. So, let me do my shout outs real quick, because like I said, it's going to be a short video. The first channel, I think she said she's a brand new channel, so she just started out. I haven't even had a chance to check her out yet, but she commented and she wanted me to give her a shout out. So her channel's name is Smash Food with Princess Nini. I'm going to put her name on the screen so you can recognize it, and then I'm going to leave a link in the description box. But yes, check her out and tell her that I sent you. And then the other person is, my phone died when I was looking up, so I hope I said this right, but it's Jahmai Brown. I hope that's it. Some of these that just come back to me, like that one came back to me. I seen it in the comments. But I'm going to put his name on the screen as well. And I'm not sure if he has a channel. Sometimes people just want me to shout him out so that people will know, so that I'll know that they watch my channel and support. Which I love. Like, if you don't even have a channel you want to shout out, why not? Let people know. You be in Chomp Town all the time. Speaking of Chomp Town, everybody said, well, a couple people said they like the city background. They said it suits me, it fits me, it's my thing. So, plus I can't get the green screen to work right anyway. That video from yesterday was horrible. I don't think I have enough lights, because there was definitely some shadows in my screen. That's why I look like that. And I love this. Like, I love this whole community. I love the comments. I wish that we could all sit down at the table and just eat. And laugh and talk. Like in real life. You know, with all this technology and stuff, you would think there would be a way for YouTube to do like video chat. That would be so cool. Not live videos, but like video chats where everybody's picture could show up. Or I don't know how I could explain it. You know how like Google chat or FaceTime or whatever like that on YouTube. I don't know how it would work, but that would be cool if we could. Because then you could see your viewers and hold real live conversations with them. This is so good. It's bomb. It's hot. It's so good. Yeah, we was watching this movie yesterday. I had seen the previews for when it was in the movies, and I was like, that's gonna be dumb. The movie called Rampage. Oh my gosh, if you have not seen that, please check it out. It's on, I think it's on HBO on demand. If you haven't seen it, check it out. And if you did see it, let me know what you thought. I thought it was so good. Like, it was so unexpectedly good. Like I said, when I saw the previews for the movies, I was like, ain't nobody gonna see that movie. It looked too fake. But that movie was so good. Piece of bone. This don't even need to be on because this food is still hot. My mouth is on fire. Yes, sweet tea, not all that. These mashed potatoes are good. Ooh, it's hot. Put a piece of chicken in there. I'm not sure mashed potatoes. I put a big piece of chicken in there. Oh, it's hot. I don't even want to try that biscuit. That is hot. Alright. Dessert time. Oh, it's so nice and warm and gooey. Let's look. Oh. That was good. Look at that. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, that is good. Savoring it. I don't want to rush it. That was good. Alright guys. We'll sleep good tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you smiled at any point in this video, it lets me know if I'm doing my job. If you give this video a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys. Love you. What was I doing? Bye y'all.